Welcome back to Perma to Plate. Today, we are building something amazing for small spaces. Commercial hydroponic towers are fantastic, but they can be very expensive for a beginner to buy. What if I told you that you could build your own professional system for a fraction of the cost? In this video, we're going to build a high-efficiency vertical hydroponic tower using simple, affordable PVC pipes. I'll show you every step, from selecting the right materials to the special heat-forming technique used. This project is perfect for balconies, patios, or anywhere you want a huge harvest in a tiny space. Let's get our tools ready and start building our very own vertical food factory right now. First, we need a large PVC pipe for the main body. 110 or 140 millimeters works best. You'll also need a smaller 21 millimeter pipe for the internal irrigation system that delivers water to the plants. For the water reservoir, a sturdy plastic bin with a secure lid is essential to hold the nutrient solution. To move the water, a simple submersible aquarium pump will serve as the heart of our system. Crucial tools include a heat gun to soften the plastic and a sturdy glass bottle to act as a mold. Finally, gather a drill, a handsaw, a measuring tape, and a marker for precise layout and cutting. Let's start by marking the planting spots. We want a zigzag pattern for light exposure. Start the first mark at the top, then move down 20 centimeters and rotate the pipe slightly for the next. Continue this pattern all the way down. This spacing ensures each plant has enough room to grow big. Now, it's time to cut. At each mark, draw a horizontal line about 10 to 12 centimeters long. Use your handsaw or a power tool to carefully cut along these lines. Only cut the horizontal slit. Make sure the cuts are clean and straight. These slits will soon become the pockets for our plants. Double-check your spacing one last time. Consistency is the key to a professional-looking DIY project for your home. Now for the most satisfying part, turning those flat slits into planting pockets using heat. Use your heat gun to warm the plastic area directly above the horizontal cut until it becomes soft. Once the plastic is pliable, take your glass bottle and firmly push it into the slit and downward. Hold the bottle in place for a few seconds until the plastic cools down and hardens into shape. Repeat this for every slit. You'll end up with a series of sturdy, uniform pockets for your plants. Pump and plumbing. Next, let's prepare the internal irrigation pipe, the 21 millimeter thin pipe we gathered earlier. Drill tiny holes every few centimeters along the length of this internal pipe to ensure even water distribution. Connect the bottom of this internal pipe to your submersible pump using a small piece of flexible tubing. Now, prepare the reservoir lid. Cut a large hole for the main tower to sit snugly in the center. Carefully slide the main tower onto the internal pipe and secure it into the hole on the reservoir lid. It's time for the first test run. Fill the reservoir with clean water and plug in the pump. Watch the water travel up the center and rain down inside the pockets. Check for any leaks at the base. Ensure that every single planting pocket is receiving a steady flow of water to keep the roots hydrated. Once everything is running smoothly, add your hydroponic nutrient solution and place your seedlings into the net cups. With this vertical system, you can grow dozens of plants in a space no bigger than a square foot. If you enjoyed this DIY guide, don't forget to subscribe to Perma to Plate for more practical garden builds. Leave a comment below if you have questions about the heat forming process. Happy building and happy growing!